Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you want to see what I'm up to today, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, welcome back. So today and many days to come, don't know how long this project is going to take us, but we are redoing our bedroom to make it more useful for me, hubby, and our daughter Dory. Because right now it's just too much big stuff in this confined small room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how our room is looking right now, which is a hot mess. I'm just warning you. And I'm going to, off camera, we're going to basically clean it out. Empty it out and build up the new things that is going to go in here. To make it a better, roomy home for all three of us. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys what we're working with. Alright, before I begin to show you guys how this room looks, this is a no judgment zone. No, I'm just playing. But still, it's a mess. But let me just turn the camera around and show you. So this stuff here is where my Dory bed was sitting at before. But you can see I rearranged the whole room. So our bed is here, a hot mess. Dirty mattress, sorry, don't mind that. Our dresser is covered with who knows how much stuff. We have our stand over here. You see all the hair products and the TV and all that stuff. And then over here, our other side of the room is our baby's crib. That is just holding up blankets and all kind of stuff. And our closet in the background. The closet we're not really messing with. We're just really messing with the inner room. Yeah, a hot mess, you guys. A hot mess. I got packages I got to open up and do my unboxing on. That video probably going to be out before this video. So much to come. But this is the before. Hey, y'all! Of our room. Alright, so that's the realness of how messy and unorganized our master bedroom is. I've been sick for the last 1.5 days. So I have been trying to make videos and then I'm not completing them. So basically I'm starting this process of this video, but we're gonna clean out this room completely off camera, and then we'll come back during the process of us redoing the room. So I just wanted to get it started before I mess with the room and start taking stuff out of here. Before I show you guys the before of the room. Let me take my glasses off because I can see myself in my glasses. So if you guys want to keep watching and see how we transform our room, just stay tuned, you guys. We'll hopefully try to make this video as fun as possible, and also make it a room for all three of us to be able to just come, have a zine environment, have our own space, and basically just be able to have a room with our daughter because we are co-rooming. Our oldest son has his own room, and our oldest three boys, under our oldest, they all share a room. You guys saw that their room redo on a previous video. And so we co-room with our daughter, and it's always like that. So, you know, with every baby, when they come along, we always co-room with them until they're old enough to go either in their brother's room, or because she's a little lady, making room for her that's more suitable, like, because the crib is this, we had that crib since our son Philip was born, and the crib is massive. I love this crib. It has been with us for almost 9 years, because Philip will be 9 in June. So yeah, our daughter. Alright guys, this is just a little room update. If you can see, The wall space over here is empty. All this is messy. Everything is on our bed right now. Well, our mattress because we're on the floor. But right now, hubby is in the process of building Dory's big girl bed. And there she is. Get off, Dor. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, guys, we'll be back. So we finished Dory's bed, you guys, and her toy bin. How cute is it? Isn't it adorable? I love it. So now I'm going to open up her mattress and decorate her bed with you guys. You guys, that was so hard to do. I know you guys saw me struggling. But this is Dory's bed. This here is a twin size duvet we got from Ikea. The reason why it's so huge and I had to fold it under the mattress is because this is a extendable bed. So when she gets a little bigger, we can extend this bed to a twin size. So that's the reason why they suggest us to buy the twin size doulettes at Ikea because her bed came from Ikea, as well as her storage bin. This is the same one the boys have. We just got pink and white buckets to go with her color theme. And this is a everything came from Ikea: the fitted sheet, the bed, the doulette set, and this right here is she has an extendable mattress, and it came with the additional foots for her mattress. So when she gets older and we need to extend it to a twin, we already have the foots of the mattress. So hubby is gonna saran wrap these so that they don't get dirty and dusty, and we're gonna store them up in the closet until we have to extend her bed. So we already have the rest of the feet to her mattress to make it a full twin size mattress. The only thing that did not work out for her bed that I bought is I had bought a waterproof mattress pad, and me and the lady in the store was trying to figure out what size goes best for this particular bed, and we thought it was this one, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna have to exchange this one with the other one, and hopefully the other one works out, because I definitely want a waterproof mattress cover on her bed, because she's still a baby, and sometimes her diaper overleaks. So I don't want to have issues of me having to wash her blankets every other day. So that is her bed, you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments about her little bed. We just gotta move over her wall decor and decorate, and we have another piece to build for her. That's gonna be, you guys to see it. I don't want to spoil it, so you guys to see it. I gotta move this, so I have a couple of things to move around. But yeah, our bed is covered right now. I'm gonna take all this stuff off so we can get ready to go to sleep, and we are still fixing this room. So keep watching, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, so I have no idea what day we're on, because we have so many things that we're working on in our apartment and trying to improve and update. So I wanted to come back on and give an update on how the room is going. So let me turn this camera around and show you guys how it's going. Starting with baby girl's side. Her side is pretty much done, I believe. I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to explain, just show you. This is Dory's side. Looking so beautiful. Her closet is up. Don't mind the boxes on top. That's going to come off. Don't mind the stuff here that's not organized yet. And then our side. Whoosh. Hubby just put up the curtains. Looking good. We still have our mattress here on the floor. And a whole bunch of stuff, because I'm in the middle of putting them clothes and trying to organize and all that good stuff. Yeah. So, still a work in progress. So, just wanted to come on and give you a little update. And if we do the bed, I'll hook up the camera and do that. Let you guys see that portion. So, yeah, it's coming along. Hey guys, welcome back. I don't even know what day this is on this video, but we back, and I'm about to give you guys a little update on the video and how on the room remodel and how it's going. So right now hubby is in the process of building our bed, and as you can see behind me, we did some changes to our closet, because I told hubby that I really wanted to take the closet down. Even though I know we stay in an apartment, I wanted to take the closet down, and I wanted to put curtains up, because I feel like it'll be so much more easier to go inside the closet without having to deal with doors. So he put up the curtains. I'm going to show you guys that in a little bit. And I want to show you guys the process of him building our bed. And yeah, let me just turn the camera around and show you guys what I'm doing. What he's doing, not me, what he doing. Okay, guys, so beware. Our room is nowhere near ready. So it's still unorganized. But this is our closet. You can see our closet is back here. It's messy and not organized. Don't mind that. But we put up some curtains that we got from Ikea. Some white curtains and the curtain rod. I actually have to go back to Ikea and get the little things to put on the end of the curtain rod, which are these. I only got one of them,
so only one curtain rod is going to have it. I need to get another box for the other one. So let me back up a little bit. So that's one curtain closet opening. And then here we have a shelf that hubby put up with my Agape Key products on top of the shelf. And I showed that in a previous video, which is the Agape Key unboxing part 2. And don't mind our dresser, it's stuff all over it. But this is our dresser. It's a 4-drawer dresser. And it has this little top on it, glass top that we purchased separately. And that goes on there. That we'll show that better in the last video when everything's done. And our TV. And this is the other side of our closet. And hubby took the doors off and put up the other curtain on that side. But yeah, don't mind the mess. Our side tables are done, our dressers, and you can see that we added the glass piece on top, and I'm trying to add in some decor. And this is our bed, you guys. Hubby is in the process of building it, and we have our curtains up. And then Dora's side, her side is pretty much done. I just gotta like organize it and clean it up. She has her bed and her toy bin in her closet. So we still have a little ways to go, but it's coming along. It's coming along. So he's putting the finishing touches on the bed right now. Our plates. And I'll be back to show you guys how it's looking when he puts the mattress down. Alright guys, welcome back. And our bed is up, guys. Hubby finally got our bed put up. It's a queen size. We got it from Ikea. We have our brand new mattress to go in it. The only thing that we haven't done yet is that box over there. And that's some under storage drawers that's going to go under the bed. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate it and fix it up. So keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is how our room is looking so far. This is our beautiful bed. The color is black, white, gray. We have dark gray curtains. Sorry it's so dark, it's nighttime and I don't have any lights hooked up with the ones that's on in the room and the one behind me in the bathroom. Then we got our side table over there with the lamp. Same thing over here, still organizing. Then we have our little table storage. I have right now Dory's stuffed animals that was on her bed in there, and some few pillows. And then Dory's bed is over here. Let me brighten it up a little bit. See if that does anything. And then we have our carpet down now on the floor. This carpet is so soft and comfortable. And her toy storage area and her ottoman. So far we are getting organized, you guys. We are getting organized. I still have to get this side organized. And our dresser is over there, and TV. And this is going towards the bathroom. We got our mirror over there. And stand with the hair products. The stuff on the floor and her little cart is not going to stay there. Then I have her hair accessories over there. And yeah, I had a lot more organizing to do. So I just wanted to give you guys an update before I come back with you when it's all set and done. So it's pretty much there.